All right, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. You know I appreciate you stopping in. I always do. It's been a little bit of time. Spent some time away. I actually ended up having 2 vacations, not quite back to back. There was maybe a couple weeks in between, but with the travel time preparations and the actual trips themselves, I think I got a couple videos up that I had in the can, but uploads had kind of slowed down. So we're picking back up. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hang out, join the Unbox and Chill family. We recently passed over 1,000 subscribers, and there is a giveaway going on right now. I'm actually going to extend that time. The giveaway was supposed to end in a couple weeks here, but I didn't upload, so not a lot of people knew about it. I really want to make sure we get that out there. I want everyone a chance to get in. So we're definitely going to extend the time through the end of November, okay? So on December 1st, we're going to go ahead and announce the winner. And I'll give you the details on that in terms of how you can enter toward the end of the video here, okay? Today, we have an unboxing. That's why we're here, of course. And this is a brand that I have not seen before. Full disclosure before we jump into this, guys. This is a watch that essentially... I was online. I joined the group for this company. They have a Facebook group. I believe it's one of the guys that created the brand, or perhaps he's a manager, reached out to me and just said, being part of being a new member. He ended up sending me the watch. I explained to him that I have a channel. He said, that's cool. I can, I'm free to review it. But I do want to let you guys know real quick, I do not have to send it back. This is mine to keep. I just like to kind of put that out front. Just to let you guys know, this is not one. Literally every watch on this channel I've spent my own money on to acquire. This particular watch is one that I was given to review, and which is great. Like I said, I'm going to have a P.O. box soon. If any other brands or anyone else wants to send me something to review, to take a look at, even if you want me to kind of check it out, peep it, and send it back, I don't mind doing that as well. We can do that as well. So it's not about just getting things for free. So like I said, if someone wants me to take a look at their watch, but they want me to review it, and then it's a review unit that you want me to return it, I have no problem doing that as well. We will insure and return it to you, okay? All right, let's get everything ready. Let's get the desk ready. I've got the specs up on my screen here. In terms of a quick wristwatch check, guys, I'm wearing the NTH DEVILRAY. Beautiful micro brand watch, similar to the one we're about to check out today. It's a beautiful micro brand watch. But this one here is, there is a video on the channel. So if you go back to the video before last, I will try to remember to actually link it in the description box below. This is the NTH DEVILRAY, and beautiful watch, beautiful dial. You see that beautiful creamsicle or orange dial that's going on there. We did unbox it, and I enjoyed it. It was great. So if you want to see the details, like I said, link in the comment section below. You can check out the NTH DEVILRAY here. So, all right, let's move in. So now here's what we got. And it did come in the white sheath. So it came with this white sheath. And I will say right off the bat, right before I take it out, the box is a win, okay? So now the brand here, as you can see, you've got that logo there. Let me see if I can get that. There we go. Rvlvr. And I do really like their logo. I like the reverse R's. I do like their logo a lot. If you've paid attention to the channel, I do usually comment on the logos, the fonts, these sort of things, just because that's some work that I've used to do in the past. And I actually really do like their logo. I think it looks very good. The symmetry, the way the R's are reversed right there, if you can see that, does look very good. Whoever makes this box, I want to comment on this as well. Whoever makes this case, this zip case, it's clearly the same manufacturer, I believe, that does the cases for Phoebus. They're usually black, and then they say Phoebus in blue letters. Another great micro brand. So this is, I believe it's the same manufacturer. I really like these. So props to Rvlvr, very nice. I do really like the this particular case. So it looks exactly like the other ones. All right, let's go in. So as we open this up here, we've got the watch, and the watch has a bit of a party trick that I'm going to show you guys real quick here. So we've got the watch. Of course, we've got the pillow. And we've got some other items as well. So I'm going to put this back in there and push that to the side. And I want to say real quick, one thing that I think is really cool that this watch came with, I don't know if you threw it in, but I would hope they all come with one. This is very cool here, is this challenge coin. Let me go in so you can take a look at that in greater detail. As you can see, there you go. So it came with this, and these are very cool. You know, usually in the military they have these challenge coins that go out. Obviously the name of the brand is Rvlvr, so it is gun themed. As you can see, that looks like a like a revolver, like you'd be loading in the bullets there. But this is very cool. So you can see what it says there, and these are very cool. They're just kind of coins you have in your pocket. They're usually from missions and stuff, and I mean, obviously this is from a watch brand, but the ones in the military, and you know, different missions, different operations, different things you've done. And you know, a lot of times guys will, you know, have these as you know, kind of a way to play with, pass the time, that sort of thing. And you know, there's a whole culture around it, if you know. But I thought this was very cool, just kind of coming up with their own challenge coin here, and it feels very nice, very well made. So I'll pop back out here. So that's cool. I did like the challenge coin, just something to kind of have on your desk or in your pocket to kind of fiddle with. Did come with this nice felt case. We've got the Rvlvr and Recon. So I do see that there's also, if you go to the website, they have another brand, it appears, called Recon. That looks pretty cool as well. Maybe I can get one of those in and see what that's about in greater detail. This is the manual here, just kind of going over the operation of the watch, the movement, everything like that. You've got the warranty card, which looks very cool. So it has a Rvlvr on there. Yep, got the warranty card. We'll put that to the side. And you've got the, I believe this is the Q1. So this is the Rvlvr Q1. And I will say this watch is very cool. It has a bit of a party trick. So as you can see, this is definitely a nice, definitely, hold on. Give it the smell test. Hold on. It does smell, the leather smells good. It doesn't smell cheap, and it feels very good. A lot of times you get watches, guys, the leather feels like plastic. Let me ready my wrist for this. The leather feels like plastic, and, you know, it doesn't even, it usually doesn't even have the leather smell. It just feels very plasticky. I have another review coming up. Keep in mind, guys, I'm going to be coming at you Tuesdays and Thursdays now. I'm going to be sticking to a strict schedule, especially since I missed some weeks and days and whatnot. Tuesdays and Thursdays are going to be my upload days, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and pay attention to your sub box. But this particular one here, like I said, I have a watch coming up on next Tuesday, and it's going to be from the watch Wrist Mafia. So not Watch Gang. This is another company called Wrist Mafia, another subscription service that I took a look at here. And that Wrist Mafia watch, the watches that all of the ones they've sent me, I've gotten 2 so far, and all of the watches that they have sent me, the leather is super gross, super cheap. It just feels terrible. I will say this one here, this is very nice. This is very thick. Okay, we'll go over the specs to see what's going on with it. But this is very thick, feels very sturdy, and feels like one of those ones that will, of course, get softer over time, but definitely stay, not ruin its integrity. It feels like it would take a lot to kind of break this or have it start cracking. So definitely feels like a quality leather bracelet and not a crappy one. As we take the plastic, still got some of the plastic on here. Let me see if I can pull this off. In terms of the buckle, you do have, as you guys do see, this is a gold. It's not a gold that is usually pretty, it's not like a really bright or like a really chintzy, like really bright or flashy gold. What is cool about this is that it is more of a, I feel like it's more of a subdued or more of a laid back gold. You've also got that on the bucket here, on the buckle, not bucket, but buckle here. And you've got the Rvlvr etched in there. You've got their logo etched in right there. In terms of the case back, it's right here. You can see it. It's still got the plastic on there. But you do have what appears to be on the reverse side of the challenge coin is actually back here. Yep, that's the same. It looks like the same insignia there. So you've got what's on the back of the challenge coin on the case back there. So definitely a nice watch. Now, in terms of the face, let's undo this here. Let's pull this out. So there's not a screw down crown. But you do have on here, as you can see, one cool party trick about this watch that I like as I go in for some detail here, is the bullet. As you turn it here, you can see What I believe is, I believe there's something clear over here that essentially turns with the movement. There's some kind of clear overlay that has this bullet as part of it. And as the watch ticks, as the time goes, this bullet slowly moves around to the different, the different chambers here. So that's very cool. That's a cool party trick. When I first got it, I believe it was sitting over here, and I just thought maybe that's just kind of how it was. And I put it down, and a couple days later, I came back and looked at it, and of course, it was somewhere else completely on the watch. And I said, because I thought this was just a sticker that just had this on it. Definitely not a sticker. It's definitely it's definitely part of the movement. And like I said, it's a quartz movement, so you can see it ticking there. But as the watch ticks, this slowly moves around. That's a cool party trick there. I think that's very cool. I actually have not seen that on a watch, something like that. Obviously not part of the hands or anything like that, but just kind of I believe if you look at it, there's something clear on there. Yeah, you can see kind of a clear disc in there. I don't know if you can see it. If I turn it, maybe there's a clear disc that rotates as everything goes on here. So very cool. Not something I've seen before. Not something I've thought about at all. Let's go ahead and check out the specs here. Then we'll try it on. Then I'll give you the information on the giveaway, and we'll get out of here. Okay. So in terms of this one, as I increase the size so that we get everything here, this case finish is gold PVD. So gold PVD finish on the case here. It is stainless steel. You do have a Swiss quartz movement. It's the Ronda 503 on that one. You've got, this is 45 millimeters. So keep in mind I have roughly an 8¼ inch wrist. We're going to try it on here in a second. It's 45 millimeters, hardened mineral glass, so it is mineral crystal. You've got a black strap with black stitching, and it just says that it's leather. It just says leather, but it definitely, and I can't stress this enough, guys, it does not feel cheap at all in terms of the strap here. So I'm going to throw it on the wrist real quick. Give me 1 second. I'm going to go off camera and buckle it up here. Let's see here. So keep in mind, 45 millimeters is what we're dealing with on this one. Let's go back. Here we go. And there it is. So there you go. Bit of a chunker. Big watch there. But definitely makes a statement. Nice statement piece here. So you got that bullet that's going to rotate around. This is one of those things, too, I'd also kind of like to see on maybe a blue, more of a suede with a gold buckle there. I think that would look very cool as well. But definitely, it definitely makes a statement here. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. I don't think it's too bad. And then if you've ever paid attention, so it is gun themed. I don't know if anyone has ever noticed, but this airplane back here that a buddy got me that's been on my desk for a while now is actually made of bullets. So, I don't know if anyone's ever noticed that, but it's definitely made of bullets there. So, but no, like I said, guys, I want to know what you think about the Rvlvr Q1. Okay, drop down to the comment section. Let me know. Is this one that you would wear? Is this one that you would add to your collection? I think it's very cool. Nice little weekend piece here. It's large. It's in charge. Definitely makes a statement. Definitely like the buckle on the back. The leather feels good. It's not cheap. It smells very good. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And in terms of our giveaway here, we do have a giveaway lined up. There's essentially 3 steps to enter the giveaway. Down in the comment section below, I'm going to have all the steps. The first step is just follow this YouTube channel. Okay, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that subscribe button. Turn that subscribe button, or hit the subscribe button, but also turn on the notifications. Hit the notification bell so you know every time we either go live or upload or do anything. Okay, make sure that you hit hit us up on Instagram. Hit follow. Give us a follow there. That's the second step, and the final step is just go to my website. It's essentially, I'm not going to contact you. We just take your email address. We will only contact you if you win. But that's just a landing page. So just put in your email address. Don't worry. I'm not going to spam you. You won't hear from me at all. Unless you win, in which case you'll hear from me. Okay. So thank you guys so much for stopping in. This has, of course, been Unbox and Chill. If you've got something cool, reach out. I will definitely take a look at it. Gonna get my P.O. box set up real soon here, so just in case you are a brand or something and you want me to review something, take a look at something, I don't mind taking a look at it. Even if you need me to send it back, we will definitely do that as well. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. This is, of course, been Unbox and Chill. Signing out.